NWO Report World News.
For weeks, Americans all over the country have been rattled by extremely loud booming sounds that seem to have no explanation, and they are often accompanied by mysterious flashes of light. These strange booms are shaking homes and rattling windows, and some witnesses say they sound like cannons being fired. And even though the mystery booms and accompanying flashes of light have been captured on camera all across the nation, so far the authorities do not have a reasonable explanation for what they are. Unfortunately, it does not appear that this strange phenomenon is going to go away anytime soon. Now, in fact, the Sun is reporting that the frequency of these mystery booms appear to have gathered pace over the past week. Now, mystery booming sounds have been shaking houses and terrifying residents after flashes of lights were spotted across America. Now, experts have been left baffled by a spat of seismic booms from Arizona to New York that appear to have gathered pace over the past few weeks. Now, over the last weekend, this mystery started to get much more national attention after an incident in Rhode Island on Saturday, followed by one in New York City on Sunday. Now, on Saturday, loud bangs were reported in Rhode Island, where Jeremy Braza's doorbell captured a video and audio of a loud noise over a 3-minute period.
The whole house shook, woke my wife up, woke up all my children.
The loud noise continues for 3 minutes before taking a short pause and beginning again. The trees remain still.
The following night, an explosion was heard in New York, accompanied by a mysterious flash in the sky. What the heck was that boom or explosion in Park Slope, Brooklyn? Asked Matt Wachowski on Twitter. But of course, this is not just an East Coast phenomenon. For example, a loud boom that was reported in Tennessee on January 31st was heard across 3 separate counties. So what the heck is going on all across the United States and even actually across the whole world? Could this be some sort of spiritual warfare going on just outside of our plane of existence, interfering in our reality? Think about it. It's a reasonable question. Now, the Bible does talk about a war in heaven taking place in the last days. Could these loud booms and mysterious flashes in the sky that nobody can explain, could this be part of the war in heaven? Leave your comments below this video. Thanks for watching.